Hello. It is September 22nd, and the English markets are going to open soon. So, making a video about cryptocurrency, and we're going to take a look because this October is going to be great, and I'm going to make a prediction, and I will save it on YouTube as a record. I will look back, we can look at the timestamps. That way I can know if my predictions are correct or not. So here we go. Let's take a closer look. Okay. Here we are. This is the chart. And we have been consolidating in this range for about 6 months now. We came up here to all-time highs close, and we encountered the resistance, bounced down, bounced up, bounced down, bounced up. Now we've had our final bounce, and we got a long wick down, but it doesn't look like the next low was able to make it. So it went up, it went down. So now we've got this upwards momentum, and it's been increasing the past week or so. I think October is historically a good month, and so I'm expecting that we will make it to this $67,000 level. The VPVR, these bars are the volume of the trading. So right here, it means that a lot of volume has been traded at this bar. At this bar, a little less and less. Right here is historically greater than the ones below. With this momentum it's been moving upward with, it's past the great bar that's here, and it's moved on to the next one. And since it has such momentum to overcome this, it will not stop until it reaches the $67,000 level. So we can look out in the next few weeks, probably the next week. Tomorrow's Wednesday, and I would not be surprised if not Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are good. And Friday might be a good time for the altcoins, because everybody knows when Bitcoin goes up, the altcoin goes up. So I will show you one good altcoin here. And we can just take a look at basically any of them. Solana. Everyone likes Solana now. But Solana is pushing. It's pushing to get to that next level. There's a long trend going down here. Looks like this. We can drag a line down here from the peak. That was around March. And these lines aren't exact, but I'm suspecting that when Bitcoin decides to go up to the $67,000 mark, you will see Solana sitting up around 166. And it will sit on that resistance, that heavy resistance. There is a possibility that it might come back down to the bottom of the channel, which for Solana looks like it's going to be right here with this descending wedge. So I'll draw another line. And visually, you can see that it might come back down to around, around the 125 mark. But there's always the possibility that it takes off, and it does not stop. So once it gets to that level, it's going to pause. It's going to figure out what it wants to do, and it might push up, but it might go back down. But it won't stop, I'm predicting, until it gets to that level, at the very least. When it's at the top of the channel, that's always good, and you might see that it continues to press forward. We go back to Bitcoin. I don't have the resistance line drawn here, but you can see lower lows, lower highs. These highs are on a line, and they will, this I think will push towards the top of the line that I have drawn here. Yes, it will not stop till it gets up to 67. That's going to be good, not for Bitcoin, not just for Bitcoin, but for all of the crypto. And we will see these volume profiles be repainted. They will change their shape. The volume profile may grow up to here. If I include more of this history, it will show. Yes, so it's only limited to the window. This would be a major break, and this is what I'm looking out for, because this higher low, this lower high right here, it's testing, and it looks like it's pushing through, because we got a big red candle at the top there. Looked like it might be a tippy top, but it didn't, and it pushed right through that. Now it's testing the top of it, and it's only a matter of time. So, as I was saying, yes, it's going to be great in October. It's going to be great. I'm cooking here and learning German. Es war einmal in einem kleinen Stadt. Es war in einmal ein kleinen. I'm trying my best. So I'm going to eat a sweet potato. And we'll see in the next few weeks what happens. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and maybe I'll make another video and you can just plug your money into the system with my little updates. Get yourself some cash. See you next time.